The mobile industry has long been shaping the way we communicate and live. It's changing the way we do business, the way we shop, the way we travel, and the list goes on. Smartphones and tablets have gone from a curiosity to part of our daily lives. We're constantly mobile, and as the landscape tries to keep up with the new innovation, new technologies are developed and the old left to nostalgia. So here are our top mobile trends to watch out for. Customer experience. The average organisation has less than 1 in 100 employees with customer experience skills, significant considering eBay has 1 in 4. According to Digital Management Inc. findings, customer experience should be embedded in every part of the organisation, as demand will dictate one consistent cross-channel experience. Security and privacy. This has long been a big issue for boardrooms worldwide, and it isn't going away anytime soon. With big corporations being hacked and the resulting damage to shareholder value, security will be high on the agenda for every board. Mobile being at the centre of business. Organisations are looking to transform their workforce by liberating them from the desktop. Accessibility is now key from anywhere, at any time. The Internet of Things. You might be tired of the jargon, but the mobile industry is heading in this direction. There's a real revolution happening in manufacturing, transportation and the consumer space. Sensors collecting data, improving logistics, production, product development, efficiency and user experience. Mobile payments. By 2017, 50% of online transactions will be from mobile devices. We're already seeing a growing trend in the expansion and implementation of the omni-channel user experience and more innovation surrounding mobile payment platforms. And finally, data. This is the biggie. The focus for 2016 will be what we do with it and how we secure it. For more on the mobile industry of tomorrow, follow us at The New Economy and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll also be reporting from the Mobile World Congress to bring you the latest trends, innovation and companies to watch for the coming year.